Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to locate an already installed game on Steam. First, open File Explorer. Go to this PC. Open Program Files. Next, open the Steam folder. And open Steam Apps. After that, open the Common folder. Here you'll find all of your installed Steam games. From here, you can locate your games folder, rename it if needed, or delete it if you want to remove it manually. If you're trying to make Steam recognize or update the game, simply open Steam and click Play. Steam will verify the game files and download any missing updates if necessary. And that's it. That's how you can locate an already installed game on Steam. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.